Hi, good morning, good evening, ladies and gentlemen. Namaskaram, I'm Bani.
Namaskaram everyone, I'm Nikhil and you're watching the Saudi TV.
Yes.
BTS.
BTS?
So if you guys are not aware of it, even we guys were not aware of it until this video became trending and got an eye from everyone around the world. So these are South Korean guys, formed a band in 2010. Let's go and have a research on it.
Okay.
So BTS is also known as the Bangtan Boys, is a 7-member South Korean boy band that began formation in 2010, debuted in 2013 under Big Hit Entertainment. Now the question is, why these guys are popular? So in Korea they call it, like we have pop, they call it K-pop.
Korean pop.
Korean pop.
Okay.
So there are 4 reasons that BTS have been popularly, and they have with the K-pop growing in popularity because they are like K-pop singers. They're making music videos what people want to see.
Okay.
And they are touching very elegant, sensitive part of life.
Yes.
Like bullying, mental health,
And
elitism. Elitism. What does that mean?
Let's Google
Look up elitism. So elitism, the belief that the society or the system should be led by an elite. Okay, that is what elitism is. Right. Okay, I mean that is the reason these guys, 7-member band formed, known as Bangtan Boys, South Korea, killing the charts on YouTube. They dropped one song, maybe a K-pop song, I'm not aware of it. Guys, if someone from South Korea is watching, just let me know in the comment section if we guys are getting this correct, because we are Indians and we are just trying to decipher things from your end. They dropped one song called Life Goes On.
Okay.
And it's official, almost like 6.5 million likes and approximately, how much is that, 75 million views?
Yes, I guess 75.
It's almost like 7.5 million, I guess. Guys, I'll do the maths. I mean, there is like a big number. I mean, it is not showing me exactly into the image. So I can't do the maths. I'll just post it down after I see it. It is number 4 on trending the moment we are shooting this video.
And one more thing, the page, the official page on which the song is there.
The Big Hit labels.
You just see the number of subscribers they have.
It's like 47.8 million.
So I think it's 75 million only.
Right.
Yes.
We do not know who these people are. I mean, you guys can go through the official page. I can drop the link in my description for the official page and the video. Without wasting any time, I'm hoping there are going to be subtitles to it. If we understand it, let's just jump into the video.
Yes.
Big Hit.
Big Hit. Big Hit Entertainment.
Okay, did you see the date? It's 9/11/2019. That's what they said.
I missed it, I guess.
I'm just adding it, guys. Just want to see the date. I mean, like, is it a story kind of thing? 20.
Yeah.
It's
9/11/2020.
Oh, that's why he's wearing a mask, like the corona thing and all. Right. Stop.
Okay.
Guys, if I and you are getting it correct, is it they're like targeting the pandemic that occurred?
Basically, they're counting the situation.
They're counting the situation that everything got, like the footprints from the streets got vanished. Yes. The life got changed. Spring didn't exist the way it used to exist.
No, the spring didn't wait because of the people actually.
Yeah, I mean, life goes on.
Yes.
Okay, that is the reason it says life goes on no matter what. Okay, this is
irrespective of the pandemic, life
goes on.
Nice topic.
Yep. Did you check the detail? I mean, the way he just grabbed the seat and looked at the dirt on it, means it has not been used for a long time. So that is the reason they are saying.
They were all under lockdown.
Yeah, and he's saying, I'm soaked. It's about to rain. I'm soaked in water till my bone. Something like that. It said.
눈에 눌러보는 먼지 쌓인 배감기 넘어진 채 청하는 어떤 재충 겨울이 오면 내 진짜 더 뜨거운 숨
Oh, they're spraying things.
하루 시작과 끝 안녕이란 말로 오늘과 내일을 또 함께 이어보자고 멈춰있지만 어둠에 숨지마 빛은 더 떠오르니까 끝이 보이지
There's no end in sight.
잠시 두 눈을 감아 여기 내 손을 잡아 저 미래로 달아나자 Like an echo in the forest 하루가 돌아오겠지 아무래도 없는 듯이 Yeah, life goes on Like an arrow in the blue sky 또 하루도 날아가지 On my pillow, on my table Yeah, life goes on like this again I remember yeah, 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 yeah. I remember.
Hats
Wasn't
off
this-
to the
wasn't-
makers of this song.
Wasn't this beautiful? I never thought this was gonna be like this beautiful.
I also never thought this.
You use music
Life goes
to-
on is a very simple phrase basically, and many people use this in the song. But
Not in the
it
song.
was-
I mean the real life. I
Yes,
mean,
real life, because-
I mean, whatever happens,
Life goes on.
Life goes on. Like
because it's like, see, people take it very easily and say, "Oh, don't worry, life goes on."
this is part of life.
This is part of life. But the way they have depicted it, I think, not just in South Korea, this feeling is worldwide. This feeling is worldwide.
This is common, brothers.
This is common because of the pandemic situation. And
I'm glad they come up with this great idea of shooting kind of indoors, and
Yes.
you know they touched very little, I'll not call it little, very meaningful things there, in which they showed like they're ordering pizza and they're celebrating inside the house.
you forgot
And
the
they-
spray, the sanitizer,
yeah, the sanitizer
that
spray,
we're using these days.
and they get back into the memories like how they were before, like they were
Yeah.
playing guitars in the open areas.
open areas, they're
and
moving
then
around freely.
then they shot something in the car, and he was just looking back to his folks in a
Yes.
kind of worrying manner. This is what we figured it out. Thank you, we had English. They sung in
Subtitles.
English at the
Yes,
back.
no, the
They sung
main
in
phrase
English.
was in English.
The main phrase was in
basically,
English.
and the rest of the song was in their
Korean
own language.
They call it K-pop, I guess. K-pop.
Okay, so
That's a very
Nikhil-
beautiful name, like K-pop, right?
K-pop is
K-pop.
a-
K-pop.
Yeah.
Like Tupac. K-pop.
Okay. Okay. Now getting back to our game. Now this time I'm gonna.
I'm
ask
not
you
sure if the
questions.
South Korean audience, if anyone is watching, they are aware of this game. So what we guys do is we
Oh,
just get
yes.
into a reading kind of thing from
Just for
our
fun,
little
for
understanding,
excitement.
just for fun and extending. We rate on the basis of screenplay, on the basis of lyrics, on the basis of whole picturization and the whole package.
Yes.
And we give a score to it.
Yes. So,
So
this
you're gonna
time
ask him?
I'm gonna ask questions to him, and he has to rate from 1 to 5. 5 being the maximum, and 1 being the minimum.
Right.
Okay. So, Mr. Nikhil Kohli, the overall song will be the last question. But first of all, I would like to ask, how was the screenplay?
Beautifully shot.
And
beautifully shot.
And what review will you give about?
I'll give 4
rating?
out of 5. I'll give
Okay,
4
4 out of 5. And the emotions?
They touched. I mean, like, okay, you are confusing me in the questions. So the screenplay covers the emotions part. So I have given 4 for that.
Okay.
So because they touched very sensitive parts like the spray and everything, they touched and made us. They actually came into our shoes.
Yes.
They actually stood up into our shoes and showed the life that this is how it is living. And this, if people say this would be the life, no, this would not be the life. Everything gonna get back. It's a graph that turns ups and down. It's not that we're gonna stay in the pandemic for long. It's gonna pass a year or 2. We'll be back on the streets.
Hope not a year or 2.
The time is not the concern here. It is that it will pass 100%.
Yes.
Nothing is eternal. We guys are not eternal, guys.
Yes. Okay, now coming back to the overall question. Like, I'll not ask much question. Overall song, including the singers, the picturization.
I do not
the
know.
direction.
I do not know these singers. I'll be honest. This is the first time we heard it.
We heard them for the first time.
I am going to rate 4 overall the song because we are cutting it short because we do not know. Maybe what we'll do is we're gonna go and research more and try to listen exactly what K-pop is and what exactly these guys and how they guys form. We just did a Wikipedia Google research and we ended up here on this trending video. We didn't know we stepped into a very glorious South Korean world where these 7-member band is available for beautiful music. I'm sure they're going to be making something in English that is eligible for us to understand.
But with the subtitles, we were like, okay,
yeah,
to understand
we were
the
okay.
thing. Okay.
And a request.
No. Before that, I would like to ask one thing. The best part of the song. Maybe you cannot decide for the lyrics, just video. The best part of the song.
I loved the last part of the song.
Where they were performing?
Yeah, they were
there was no
performing.
audience, just the lights.
I mean, it showed me a two-way vision. One is, at present, the life is there are no audience, they are still performing, right? Second is, the second thing that is this is my understanding, guys. Second is these guys showed a vision that there are going to be band performances coming up.
You picked up that thing.
Yeah, I mean, there would be down the line, there is, I mean, they want to run to the future, that's what they said.
Yes.
So, in the future, there would be the same things that were happening back.
Yes. Things gonna be the same again.
Things would be not exactly.
Yes, not exactly, but to some extent.
And I'm glad
Maybe the things will be same again with precautions.
To be honest, I do not know, but things would not be the same, but things would not be ugly. Yes. We would be more stronger every day for that, and this is it. Coming back to the rating part, I'm giving 4 out of 5 to this beautiful song, and thank you guys for performing on it. Thank you guys
delivering such a beautiful song.
No, thank you to the audience who made it trend so that it came to a vision.
Yes.
No one recommended us. We wanted to do this. We wanted to explore different genres of music outside of India because we do a lot of Punjabi, we do a lot of
Hindi. We touched the South Indian.
We touched the South Indian. We have touched the hip hop.
Northeast part also.
We also touched the Northeast part. We are covering the India. India is like crazy. It is the amalgamation of many.
I have a small request to the South Korean people who's watching the video. There's a small little girl in India called Essa Namte. She sang a very beautiful song for basically the nation, for India. We'll definitely drop the link of that song and do watch it.
Please do watch it. And if you guys have any requests for the South Korean which you want us to see so that we can you can bring us closer to your culture and we can have it over a YouTube session, please drop that in the comment section and let us know. We would be glad to review it. And cutting it really short, if you have kind of liked this video or not kind of liked this video, still you can click the like button. It just takes a click.
Yes.
And it's your turn.
I was waiting for him to stop at least so that I can speak up. So all the people who have not subscribed our channel so far, it's a humble request. Please subscribe our channel and hit the bell icon so that you never ever miss a video from us.
This is me, Nikhil, signing off.
This is me, Bani, signing off.
Adios.